Systems analysis is the study of sets of interacting entities, including computer systems analysis. According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, systems analysis is the process of studying a procedure or business in order to identify its goals and purposes and create systems and procedures that will achieve them in an efficient way. Analysis and synthesis, as scientific methods, always go hand in hand. They complement one another. Every synthesis is built upon the results of a preceding analysis, and every analysis requires a subsequent synthesis in order to verify and correct its results. PDF and RNR-PDF. This field is closely related to requirements analysis or operations research. It is also an explicit formal inquiry carried out to help someone identify a better course of action and make a better decision than she might otherwise have made. Overview. The terms analysis and synthesis come from Greek where they mean respectively to take apart, and to put together. These terms are used in scientific disciplines from mathematics and logic to economics and psychology to denote similar investigative procedures. Analysis is defined as the procedure by which we break down an intellectual or substantial whole into parts. Synthesis is defined as the procedure by which we combine separate elements or components in order to form a coherent whole. Systems analysis researchers apply methodology to the analysis of systems involved to form an overall picture. System analysis is used in every field where there is a work of developing something. Analysis can also be defined as a series of components that perform organic function together. An example of system analysis can be system engineering. Systems engineering is an interdisciplinary field of engineering that focuses on how complex engineering projects should be designed and managed. http://www.fds.org Research Field Systems Eng 1 ASP. An interdisciplinary field is the combining of two or more fields of study. An example of this would be History and Economics Department are offering a seminar on Asia. Information technology. The development of a computer-based information system includes a systems analysis phase which produces or enhances the data model which itself is a precursor to creating or enhancing a database. There are a number of different approaches to system analysis. When a computer-based information system is developed, systems analysis would constitute the following steps: the development of a feasibility study, involving determining whether a project is economically, socially, technologically and organizationally feasible. Conducting fact-finding measures, designed to ascertain the requirements of the system's end users. These typically span interviews, questionnaires, or visual observations of work on the existing system. Gauging how the end users would operate the system, what the system would be used for and so on. Another view outlines a phased approach to the process. This approach breaks systems analysis into 5 phases. Scope definition, which is denoting an instrument for observing, viewing, or examining. Problem analysis, analyzing the problem that arises. Requirements analysis, encompasses the conditions that need to be met. Logical design, look at logical relationship among the objects. Decision analysis, where a decision is made. Use cases are a widely used systems analysis modeling tool for identifying and expressing the functional requirements of a system. Each use case is a business scenario or event for which the system must provide a defined response. Use cases evolved out of object-oriented analysis. However, their use as a modeling tool has become common in many other methodologies for system analysis and design. Practitioners of systems analysis are often called up to dissect systems that have grown haphazardly to determine the current components of the system. This was shown during the year 2000 re-engineering effort as business and manufacturing processes were examined as part of the Y2K automation upgrades. Employment utilizing systems analysis includes systems analyst, business analyst, manufacturing engineer, systems architect, enterprise architect, software architect, etc. While practitioners of systems analysis can be called upon to create new systems, they often modify, expand or document existing systems. Researchers and practitioners rely on system analysis. Activity system analysis has been already applied to various research and practice studies including business management, educational reform, educational technology, etc. /http, books.google.com/books. It equals 4 afts ITC and PG equals PA 131 and LPG equals PA 131 and DQ equals WHO plus A plus the plus practitioners plus of plus systems plus analysis and source equals BL and DOTS equals VAH 8 IG 516 and SIG equals K1 5 BNOIR 8 B1 WWH KV 5 QWM and HL equals N and ZAR equals X and E equals RJDIU 8 C8 A8 SPY at 80 YD 4 BQ and VED equals OCDWQ6 V equals EPIG and Q equals WHO. %20 of %20 the %20 practitioners %20 of %20 systems %20 analysis and F equals false. A set of components interact with each other to accomplish some specific purpose. Systems are all around us. Our body is itself a system. A business is also a system. People, money, machine, market and material are the components of business system that work together that achieve the common goal of the organization. See also. References, Systems Analysis, Tom Ritchie, Analysis and GAR Copyright ZAR HUSI, Mechatronics Control Systems, External links, Software Requirement Analysis using UML article by D. Raj Shetty. Introduction to Social Macrodynamics, a useful set of guides and a case study about the practical application of business in systems analysis methods, a comprehensive description of the discipline of systems analysis from Simmons College, Boston, Massachusetts, USA.